Welcome to Tainan, the food capital of Taiwan. Today we're going to introduce you to the Wood Burger. They are making aboriginal style wood fire grill of hamburger. Let's go.
因为是要延续我们文化的一个就是文化
He wants to share and make people experience this wonderful way of cooking. One of the big difference of wood burger, muhambao, is that they are using logan wood fire grill, and also this is from their Hla'alua tribe. This is the way they cook their food. This is the way they grill their hand, like the food that the meat, the animals that they hunted.
因为这个我们的面包本体它的颜色是黑色，主要是用那个竹炭粉下去制作的。那因为我们的店面的风格比较强烈，因为这种黑色的面包体搭配我们的店的它的那个风格会很强，就是会很强烈。又加上我们用木头烤的话，它的那个风格会再更加深客人对我们的店的印象。这样。它是用那个3层肉，猪肉，这就是整块肚的部分，然后自己去手切，然后切成我要的我要的厚度。因为这种厚度是研究很久才会用到这种厚度，因为这样烤起来的口感跟你吃起来的口感会不太一样，是因为我们的面包的肉的厚度很够。那3层肉在我们原住民的那个就是社会里面，猪肉是非常基本的一个食材。那这个也是有意思说传承，就是说我们在吃肉的时候，其实不太需要用太多的调味去腌制这块肉，尽量把这个肉的原味以木火的方式熏烤出来，吃到最真实的原味，这样，对，才会。
This is the wood burger, right? Okay, so what do you think is the difference with your burgers? Like this is mostly like when we say hambao, it's like Western American made wood, but this is like Hla'alua wood burger. What do you think is the difference of that?
因为我们这个汉堡跟美式的
The burgers may be maybe thought that it's from the Western, but you know, what he is trying to emphasize here is that he is trying to introduce the Aboriginal style of grilling the wood fire meat, and also he would like to show that his the char bread shows that it's a different one. It's not like the American style hamburger. It is the Hla'alua style burger.
好的内容物除了我们的原肉。就以这个汉堡来讲说，这个是原肉，这个是。
So what he put inside the burger is like he put the slab of meat on top with the pineapple, fresh native onion. There's also tomatoes, lettuce, and mayonnaise. And also with the salad, they put the mashed potatoes below on the bottom with young bean sprout, yogurt and mayonnaise. Jalapeno, so that if you scoop, you can eat all the ingredients in one. So would you like to integrate the local Taiwanese flavor to this hamburger, or would you like to stick to the Aboriginal style wood-fired hamburger?
因为台南人的口味都是属于比较偏甜的，那他们其实没有。
One of the things that he noticed that people in Tainan, they really like a little bit of that sweet flavor, and he would like to emphasize and would like to introduce that a very unique and authentic style of the Aborigine flavor, wherein he would like to live that culture and also share that culture to the people. So he would like to stay and stick to the Aboriginal style wood fire grill.
调味料去做一些腌制就够了，因为。
Are you going to open new shops like somewhere else?
这个店不太容易再开另外一个。
Wants to protect the flavor of the wood burger, this brand, and so he doesn't want to start a different brand because he wants to be directly making all the grill, and also he doesn't want to have that, secret. If you look at it, it's almost 6 inch, and I don't know how will I eat it and fit it in my mouth.
Yeah.
Okay, so the way to eat this burger is don't compress it. You have to eat it from the top to bottom. That smoky flavor is on that meat. You should try this. Wow. Lamb chop. The cumin is really good and the lamb chops are really juicy. You should try this one as well. Okay, and lastly, we will try the beef steak. Oh wow. It's really juicy. Phenomenal. We also tried the chicken. It was really juicy. With this wood fire, all the juice of the meat are inside. He has made the hamburgers as much as like the Western style, but with the original style of wood fire grill. So there's a lot of smoky flavor, the smell from the wood, and of course, we will try it the Hla'alua way. So we have tried a lot of burgers. I've been to 7 countries, and I tried burgers from Australia. I tried burgers from New Zealand, even the Fergburger, which was my top one. But now, after trying the Hla'alua wood grill burger, I will be saying that it will be my top 7 because this 6 dish that they are selling is my top 6.